In this tutorial, you will learn how to share evidence with individuals and groups on Catalyst. By developing a Professional Learning Network, or PLN, on Catalyst, users are able to learn and grow alongside like-minded educators in and beyond their buildings. As you track your individual progress towards your professional goals, you can also play a role in the progress of your professional peers, both individuals and groups. One of the ways Catalyst facilitates this learning and growing together is by allowing users to share evidence of progress towards goals with other users and groups. Once you're logged into Catalyst, select the My Evidence tab on the bottom half of your dashboard. Here, you can view all of the evidence you have uploaded towards your goals. Remember, you can change the Share settings of each piece of evidence you upload to Catalyst. You can set each individual piece of evidence to private, meaning only you can see it, public, meaning anyone on Catalyst can see it, or shared, meaning it can be shared with the individuals and groups you designate. This way, you are in complete control of who has permission to view what content on your Catalyst profile. You can now select any piece of uploaded evidence and, by clicking Share, send it to one or more individuals or groups in your Catalyst PLN. Be sure that the evidence you want to share is set to Shared in the Share settings first. When you click Share, you have the option to search for users or groups, and you can also manage who has access to each individual piece of evidence you have uploaded. This way, you are in control of who within your PLN has access to which pieces of uploaded evidence at any given time. When you have shared evidence with an individual or a group, they will receive a notification to check it out. They can also peer review your evidence to keep the conversation going and push progress towards your professional goals even further.